Even though the Honda Civic Type R is a lot of fun to drive, not everyone will appreciate its enormous rear wing and noisy ride on the highway. The 2026 Acura Integra Type S may be the softer, more accommodating option that more affluent customers have been seeking. Hi, welcome back to the Carsnouva Channel. Now, we're excited to talk about the new 2026 Acura Integra Type S. Before we start, please click the like button and subscribe button to stay up to date on all things automotive. Watch out! The 2026 Integra Type S is unchanged from last year. Its modest trunk lid spoiler and adjustable suspension make touring more pleasant without compromising cornering. Neither the Type S nor the Type R has an automatic transmission, but they have one of our favorite manual transmissions, making them fantastic cars to learn to shift gears. These factors make the Integra Type S one of our favorite performance compacts. The Integra Type S's single engine is a 320 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 with 310 pounds-feet. The Integra Type S has front-wheel drive with a limited slip differential and a 6-speed manual transmission like the Civic Type R. The clutch take-up is smooth and easy on this great manual shifter. With 310 pound-feet of torque at 2,600 RPM, you could skip a shift or two, but it'd be a pity to miss out on all the excitement. The Integra Type S shares road holding and braking with the Civic Type R, pulling 1.02 Gs on the skid pad and stopping from 70 miles per hour in 153 feet. When needed, the Integra Type S may switch to basic transportation mode, which is equally stunning. All Type S vehicles have 19-inch wheels with summer tires, bigger Brembo brakes, and a 3-center mounted exhaust system. Acura's Type S interior prioritizes quality and durability above flair. Acura borrows style from the TLX sedan and RDX SUV to create a family-like feel. Lightly bolstered sport seats with perforated faux suede fabric, Type S engraved headrests, and a Type S shift knob, boot, and steering wheel insignia are distinctive. The driver's seat features 12-way power adjustment, while the rear bucket seats and a tiny center console armrest replace the Integra's rear bench. Despite having 2 rear seats, this expensive automobile lacks rear air vents and seat heaters. Because of its Civic roots, the Integra Type S has the same spacious hatchback and 24 cubic feet of cargo space. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Acura Integra Type S. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.